cengn, in collaboration with inBay Technologies, built a proof-of-concept testbed to verify the idQ multi-factor authentication solution. inBay Technologies' idQ solution can protect your corporate network, VPN, cloud services, and website with a passwordless multi-factor authentication service that verifies user identity before logging into any system. The two-factor idQ solution uses push notifications as an additional layer of security, creating a seamless and secure way for users to access their accounts. Let's see how this solution works. We're now going to showcase 4 different scenarios. To use the idQ multi-factor authentication system, a user has to create an idQ account and map the account to their designated device, for example, a mobile phone or a tablet. Here, we can see user SA is trying to log into the system for the first time using her RSA private key. A QR code image is shown on her screen, and she scans this code with her idQ Connect mobile application, which is installed on her phone. The idQ Pluggable Authentication Module, or PAM, maps her phone with the user account. Any user using the idQ multi-factor authentication solution has to map their idQ account to their designated device. Next time, when SA uses her RSA public key to log into the system, a push notification is sent to her phone. After she approves the notification, she can then log into the system. In the next use case, Isha, another system user, logs in using her username and password as the first layer of authentication. Upon successful verification of her credentials, a push notification is sent to her idQ registered phone as a second layer of authentication. She approves this push notification and logs into the system. It is not necessary for all users to use the second layer of authentication. For example, a system administrator can skip the second layer of authentication if need be. Here, Lana is a system administrator and she is not added to any of the idQ user groups. Since Lana is not registered to any of these groups, a second layer of authentication is not required for her to log in. She logs in simply by using her username and password. Now, what happens if someone gets a hold of your access credentials, like your username or password? Here, we see someone get a hold of Randy's username and password and attempt to gain access to Randy's account. But when the hacker enters the credentials, a push notification is sent to Randy's designated mobile phone. Randy immediately realizes that his credentials were compromised and denies the authorization request by clicking the Deny button. The hacker is then kicked out of the system. Thanks to inBay's multi-factor authentication solution, users can rest assured that their accounts remain private and secure. To learn more, visit the following link. cengn is Canada's Centre of Excellence in Next-Generation Networks that strives to increase innovation across Canada in next-generation networking by providing Canadian companies in all sectors with relevant expertise and infrastructure. To learn more about how cengn can support you, visit the following link.